Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be mostly non-phone. The basis of the job is actually just answering social media messages. You're not having to create or post content, just answering the questions and messages that's coming in. We're going to get all into it. Just know the links to all 4 pages that I'm going to share on this video are directly linked in the YouTube description box below, so you can go check them out yourself. And I do just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, that you can give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button, or you can comment something down below. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Money Lion. Now, Money Lion only has 176 reviews from past and current employees, so please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating, though, of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer advocate for their social media channel. So this is going to be like customer service, but non-phone through social media. They are hiring throughout the United States for remote work from home. Now, Money Lion is in the financial business. I do think they are in the business of doing like loans and things like that. But they are looking for somebody to do customer service inquiries and complaints, recommending solutions, and guiding customers through product features and functionality. You're going to have excellent written and verbal communication skills and earn that customer's trust in that 240 characters or less. So this is more of like a social media or like a texting type thing. You're going to provide that service focused on the person as well as the solution. You'll resolve any customer questions, concerns, or product issues through public channels by engaging with the customer, providing the right resolution, and addressing any social media escalations with critical thinking. So you're going to respond to the customer first through those social media channels, but be prepared to have to follow up with them phone, email, or chat according to the customer's preference. Now, if the customer is reaching out through that social media channel, their preference more than likely is going to be in written form like email or chat and not phone. But do know there might be an occasion where you have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call. You'll monitor proactively, post research, and reach out to the community members with the official Money Lion channels, making sure they're having a positive experience with the company. You're going to own any customer escalations, following through and making sure that you have any product feedback escalated up to your supervisors. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just 4 to 5 years of experience in a customer service, customer facing role. They do want somebody who has a previous experience managing Q&A, moderation, or some kind of social media like Facebook, Instagram, something like that. Someone who is willing to go the extra mile for the customer, and someone who has excellent work ethic with those follow-up skills. Please note that while they did not actually list salary, we're going to get to those estimates in just a minute, they do state that they offer a complete benefit package and then they offer flexible working hours. Now, since they did not list the actual pay in the job description, actual pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. I do try to do some research to see if I can find any estimates for you, and I couldn't exactly find what I was looking for, but they do have a customer service representative at Money Lion, makes anywhere from $31,000 to $40,000 a year, and a customer advocate 2, where this one is just a regular customer advocate, makes anywhere from $37,000 to $50,000 a year. So I use the lower end, 31 to 40, for my estimate of $15 to $19 an hour, but just know that you can potentially make more than that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.